Hey guys, it's been a while since I posted a video, but I finally got some new wheels for the Altezza. You'll see them at the end of the video. First, I have to paint the brake calipers because they're a little bit rusty, and the wheels, they look pretty nice from what I can see, so I want to make sure it presents well, and what better time to do it than when you're taking the wheels off. I'm going to use this POR15 Caliber Painting Kit. I've heard it's pretty good. I'm going to hand brush it actually, because I don't want to overspray and dealing with all taping things off. And anyway, it's just a big hassle, but I've heard this works pretty well. So I'm going to use that and we'll see how it turns out. So yeah, everything will be revealed at the end of the video, and enjoy.